Hello, my name is Matthias. I'm bread sommelier and German master baker working for IREKS, and today I would like to show you some new product ideas. The next product I have here is a product which is really well known in Turkey, for example. It is a pide bread, a typical Turkish flatbread with an open texture and a nice soft crust. You can see it here. It looks really attractive, and because of this nice surface and, as I said, soft surface, you can create beautiful snacks out of it. If we cut it now, you will see it is a nice open texture and it is really moist inside. This is the big secret behind it. Look inside of this crumb. Really nice. How do we get it? This is here the main question. We have a soft dough made out of our 100% chia butter mix. On top, we add 8% of our craft malt. Craft malt is a malt cuvée where we add 6 different malts in combination with a hop oil. This goes on top of the standard dough, and this is because this is then the reason for this nice crumb color. We rest this dough for about 1.5 hours. After 1.5 hours, we divide it into small pieces, 250 gram. Look at this nice volume. It's only 250 gram of dough. We rest it again for about 25 minutes, and then we press our fingers in to get this nice surface. Bake it hot, approximately 260 degrees, and only for 8 minutes. So we just more or less stabilize the dough, give it a soft crust and this moist crumb. In Germany we use this quite often as a base for sandwiches, but I could also recommend it for a nice barbecue. You can just put that onto the grill again, refresh it, heat it up again, and maybe put some garlic butter on. Beautiful combination. Enjoy it!